Today I want to talk about a simple mod I did to my 2019 991.2 GT3RS in Lizard Green. I picked up this car last year with almost all the options that I wanted. Lizard green exterior with a lot of the accent come out of the factory in lizard green. One of the options that was not available on the car was the seatbelt pass-through parts were not painted with the body color lizard green like the rest of the car. I want to match. I was in Asia for business and I came across this social media post talking about this company replicating Porsche's carbon lightweight bucket seats. So I reached out to them and asked them if they can just paint that single parts for me to color match my 911 GT3RS's body color. And they said yes. The turnaround time was really short because I reached out to the boss man himself and they were able to finish the whole build in 3 days. So here they are, total 8 parts, all painted in lizard green. As you can see, taking off that part is relatively easy. All you need to do is unscrew 6 bolts from the seat. The first one always take the most amount of tries and error, and it takes the longest to install. But thankfully, because it's OEM finish and size and everything true to its original parts, you always have the option to take off the entire seat and do the assembly outside of the car. As you can see, it's even with the carbon fiber seats pulled all the way to the front, this amount of space that you can work with to install those pass-throughs is extremely limited. You will see me struggling trying to fit my upper body in the gap between the seat and the door, and try to reach to the inner side of the seats a couple of times, try different positions as well. Eventually I find it's very easy if you can fit yourself in the back seat areas. With the one piece carbon bucket seats being all carbon fiber and black leather, those 2 bright green parts absolutely jump in front of my eyes and catches my attention. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.